everyone, it's Matt from Matt's RV Reviews, officially partnering with Blue Compass. Today we are doing the world debut of the 312 RK Alliance Paradigm, and here's my 3 favorite features of Alliance. In the TCS Touring Coil Suspension from Kurt makes this the best towability in a fifth wheel in the RV industry without spending that additional money for independent suspension. These come standard on every Paradigm. Every Alliance Paradigm is going to give you the biggest storage in the fifth wheel space. What I love about it is 101 inches wide, and you get all of this accessible storage space. On top of that, you have these 3 switches right here. So you can stand on the outside and actually control your slide outs and your awnings. So if you're parked really close to a neighbor or next to a big oak tree, you're not gonna damage your RV because you can control it right from the outside, not from the inside. So inside the Alliance Paradigm, you're gonna see this is an absolute beautiful interior. This is a new floor plan 312 RK, which is a rear kitchen. Check out the nice L-shaped sectionals. What makes it so light and bright and spacious in here is the big atrium windows. You have solid surface countertops, soft closed drawers, just a fantastic floor plan and an incredibly spacious bathroom. The sinks are super spacious. Of course, you're gonna have one of the biggest showers in the RV industry. In every Alliance, it's a prime pooping position. So hopefully you guys can see why I personally own an Alliance and why the Alliance Paradigm is one of my favorite fifth wheels in the RV industry. We sell Alliances nationwide throughout Blue Compass. So go to our website, bluecompassrv.com, and find the closest Alliance dealership to you. Hey everyone, it's Matt from Matt's RV Reviews. I am super excited to announce my partnership with Blue Compass RV. Some of the best reasons to buy an RV from Blue Compass is because they represent the top brands in the RV industry. From Thor, Forest River, Alliance, Jayco, Brinkley, Grand Design, Airstream, and so many more phenomenal brands. They have over 100 dealerships coast to coast with over 1,000 service bays, and it expands to 33 states currently right now as I'm filming this video. Also, what encompasses the Blue Compass family is Motorhome Specialist, which is the #1 selling motorhome dealership in the entire world for the last 13 years, and 14 Airstream dealerships across the country. So, with over 100 dealerships, it doesn't matter where you are around the country, there will always be a Blue Compass near you to service you before, during, and after every sale. And everybody gets to join the RV Complete Club. Now let's go over to those guys and tell you some of the awesome perks that you get just from joining the Blue Compass family. I'm here with Jared, Director of RV Complete. What do customers get when they buy a new RV from Blue Compass?
Thanks, Matt. Yes, they get the RV Complete VIP package. Comes with camping at 1,000 Trails for 1 whole year, free camping. They get the RV Life Pro app for 1 year. They get fuel discounts at Love's, which is over 600 locations nationwide. There's a ton of incredible benefits involved.
All of this is encompassed within the Blue Compass when you buy an RV from them?
For 1 year, completely free.
Now, what if you didn't buy an RV from Blue Compass? Can they still get in on this RV Complete?
Yeah, great question. We just launched the RV Complete Club. We're super pumped up about it. It's $39 a year, so super low cost. But you get 10% off service and parts every single time you come to a Blue Compass dealership. You have the opportunity to save $200. We have a nationwide campground benefit that's up to 20% off the nightly rate. And then you can also hit that Love's discounts. That's gas, propane, overnight stays. It's really incredible.
Those are some awesome benefits just from buying your next RV with Blue Compass. So if you guys want to learn more about RV Complete and Blue Compass, click the link down below, go to our website, bluecompassrv.com. Hey everyone, it's Matt from Matt's RV Reviews. I'm super excited to announce my official partnership with Blue Compass RV. So with that, I'm gonna tell you the 3 things I love the most about the 2026 Jayco Greyhawk 30Z, which is hands down one of my favorite Class C motorhomes in the RV industry. First is this rear slide out that you don't normally see in the RV industry. Also, because of this, you're able to get some incredible storage on the outside of this motorhome that you can access from all 3 sides. Next is going to be the exterior. I love this seamless molded fiberglass front cap. The seam is actually right underneath here, not in the vulnerable ports right there, so it's less likely to leak that way. I love the fact that they give you a windshield, and I love the beautiful blacked out edition on this Jayco Greyhawk. From the wheels to the paint to the windows, looks absolutely fantastic. So number 3 is going to be the most incredible living room area in a Class C motorhome. Very nice dinette that drops down, but here's where it's special. You have an actual living room in this Class C. You have theater seats right here that sits directly across from the entertainment center, and check this out. The biggest TV in a Class C motorhome in the RV industry. You get kind of this nice living room area. Storage above here, and a fireplace that actually produces heat from electricity. The reason why I love that, if you just need to take the chill off, you don't need to be using or burning through your propane. This works completely off of electric. These are just 3 personal reasons why I love the Jayco Greyhawk 30Z. And again, I'm partnered with Blue Compass RV, and we have over 100 dealerships coast to coast in 33 states. So if you guys want to find the closest Jayco dealership to you and get the best price in America, click the link down below, go to our website, bluecompassrv.com.
Dreaming of the open road? We've got RV tours, must-know tips, and epic destinations waiting for you. Subscribe to Blue Compass RV and let the adventure begin.